How to delete your Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Facebook account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete your Facebook account, first you want to open up your Facebook and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. And once you do so, you'll get the settings with the gear icon just below it. You want to simply head into your Facebook settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now you can see the account center option, the meta option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it there, what it is it will take you to this account center page, right? You want to head into the personal details under account settings. You can see right here, you want to tap on it. And there you want to head into account ownership and control. Under here you can see two different options: memorialization and deactivation or deletion. You want to simply tap on deactivation or deletion and then select your Facebook account here. If you have multiple accounts linked, it'll show up here, so you want to select your particular Facebook account that you wish to delete. Tap on delete account option, make sure the blue circle is on the delete account option, tap on continue and go ahead and delete your account. So this way you can delete your Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.